It's a 2017 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. See what it can do when you take it for a test drive.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.